Speaker, forwarding of Rivers State Government 2025 Appropriation Bill for consideration by the National Assembly. Further to the nullification of the 2025 budget of Rivers State by the Supreme Court, please find forwarded herewith the 2025 Appropriation Bill for Rivers State for the consideration of the House of Representatives. The House of Representatives may wish to recall that Rivers State is currently under emergency rule, which was proclaimed and duly gazetted in March 2025. Regulation 442F of the Emergency Rule 2025 requires authorization for expenditure from the consolidated revenue of Rivers State for its activities. In the absence of the State Assembly, it is expected that the National Assembly acts on that behalf. Hence, the request for the approval of the House of Representatives for the Rivers State Government 2025 Appropriation Bill. The Appropriation Bill for the year 2025 is in the total sum of 1,481 billion, wherein the sum of 324 billion is for infrastructure, both ongoing and new projects. The sum of 166 billion is for health sector, including 5 billion for free drugs for treatment of malaria and other common ailments. The sum of 75.6 billion is proposed for education sector, and the sum of 31.4 billion for agriculture projects. The spending plan priorities investment in critical sectors of the state, such as infrastructure, health, including free drugs for malaria and other common ailments, education, and also agriculture, which is projected to generate approximately 6,000 jobs. Accordingly, I hereby forward the Rivers State Government 2025 Appropriation Bill and trust that it will receive the expeditious consideration of the House of Representatives. Please accept, Right Honorable Speaker, the assurances of my highest regards. Yours sincerely, signed, Bola Tinubu. Any member with petition?